In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add weight to a product in Shopify. Adding product weight is important for accurate shipping rates and order calculations, so let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click on Products from the left-hand menu. Now find the product you want to edit and click on its name to open the product details page. Inside the product settings, scroll down until you find the shipping section. Here, make sure the box labeled "This is a physical product" is checked. This tells Shopify that the item requires shipping and unlocks the weight settings. Next, locate the weight field and enter the correct product weight. You can also choose the unit of measurement using the drop-down menu beside the field. Shopify lets you select options like pounds, kilograms, ounces, or grams depending on your preference. Make sure the weight is accurate because Shopify uses this information to calculate shipping costs during checkout. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added weight to your Shopify product. Thanks for watching and happy selling.